Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to update the two clock settings on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. By two clocks I mean the one that's in the middle here in your dashboard and also the one that's on your main display here. Just to let you know, there's unfortunately not a way to synchronise the two. So first off, let's start with this one. So down in the bottom right hand corner there's two cogs, give them a tap and then that brings up your settings menu. Third one down says clock, give that a tap and that brings up the clock settings. So we can change the date format, time format, clock settings mode from manual to auto. If it's on auto, it'll actually update the clock directly from your mobile phone. I'm going to leave it on manual for now, and then we can adjust our hours and minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it to 4 PM and 39 minutes. As soon as I hit home, it's actually adjusted the clock. But there again, it has not adjusted this clock here. So to adjust this clock, we need to press these two buttons here, which says trip and also your dial settings. So tap them both at the same time, and then that'll actually flash. What we're going to do is move this from left to right, just twisting it, and you'll see that go backwards and forwards. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to put that on 1600. Give that a tap and then you can move the minutes if you need to. I don't need to, so I'll just show you backwards and forwards. Leave it on 40 and then give it a tap, and that has now adjusted your clock settings. So there you go. That's how easy it is to adjust the two clocks on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and please subscribe to my channel.